Welcome back to Anu's Kitchen. One of the subscribers has requested for a video on the preparation of Paruppu Podi or Dal Podi, which involves a very simple procedure. Today I would like to show how to prepare it. Now let's move on to the ingredients. Let's move on to the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 3/4 cup of Toor Dhal, half cup of Channa Dal, little Hing, 1 teaspoon of Jeera, required crystal salt, and 3 chillies, required oil. Light the flame, take a pan, add little oil. We have to roast all the ingredients separately for Paruppu Podi. So first let us take the Toor Dhal and fry it. And always keep it in medium flame and fry so that it will not get burnt. You have to fry them till brown. Now the Toor Dhal is roasted well. You can transfer it to a bowl. Now we have to roast the Channa Dal. Same way Channa Dal also you have to roast it till brown. Till you get nice aroma. Channa Dal also is roasted well. Now you can transfer it into a bowl. Now take peppercorns and you can simultaneously put Jeera also and fry for a minute. Now the Jeera and the peppercorns are fried well. You are getting nice aroma of Jeera. At this stage you can transfer it into the bowl. Add little oil to fry the red chillies. I have taken only 3 chillies because peppercorns has spice in it. So it's better you use only few red chillies. The red chillies are also fried. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Now you have to allow all the ingredients to get cool. Then you have to take it to the mixie jar. Grind it in a mixie jar. Put the ingredients to the mixie jar. To this add required crystal salt, then Hing, and grind it to a powder. Now the Paruppu Podi is ready. You can have it in hot rice along with ghee. Please do try this at home and give your comments in the comment box.